Hello YouTube. Let me see if I got enough lighting here. Okay, got enough light. Hello YouTube, this is my 2000 Subaru Outback 2.5 and it won't start. Maybe it's a bad battery. I'm waiting on State Farm to come up, so I'm gonna try to start it here. Hear just a click. Now, I don't know if it's the battery. We'll see if he jumps it. I'll try to see if the connections are good. Checked all the fuses. Fuses seem fine, but it won't turn over. I don't know if the battery's bad. It's an interstate battery. So it just clicks. Just that one click. No hesitating starting. You don't hear the the starter engage or anything or try to turn over. So hopefully it's just a battery. That's a simple fix. I don't know why the battery is bad. Alternator is running fine. Maybe it's just the heat or something. The road, I'm at my job, so the road to my job is horrible. It's like Afghanistan bumpy. So hopefully when he comes, I'm not that much mechanically inclined. My brother is a mechanic in the family. I just know how to do simple stuff. So hopefully when the guy from Auto Rescue comes and get this bad boy started. It's a good vehicle, I bought it for a few $1,000. Very good all-wheel drive. I hear that the Subarus are a little touchy. Every vehicle on the road that's old is touchy. This is a 2000, and it's 2002. It's over 20 years old. Still runs very well, even though it has about, let me see if the steering wheel won't. Got can you see it? 169,000 plus 166. So we'll see. I'll make a second video, see if get it started.